Alright everyone, Streeter Boy here. I'm going to do a product review of the Ron Marsh J-Hook Tool. It might work on some S-hooks, but these don't quite open wide enough. I did a couple of them yesterday, putting my earth anchors together, and it's not quite wide enough, but they're perfect for the J-hook. Some guys use these kind of pliers, maybe a regular pair of pliers, or even needle nose. I used to try messing with opening and shutting the J-hooks with needle nose. I thought it was a pain in the butt, so I got me one of these like 10 years ago, and they were like $15. I think today they'll cost you anywhere between $20 and $25, but I'm just going to do a close-up review on how to use these in case some of you don't know. Got my J-hook and my swivel attached to the chain. All you want to do, you just get that in there like that. Hopefully you can see that. And then just give it a nice squeeze. It don't take much. Shuts that J-hook really nice. Some people will weld their J-hooks shut, but I've never had any problems with that as far as them getting bent open. These are six gauge, so they're like the best you can get. But anyway, that's how easy it is to shut them. And then to take it off, just get your pliers in there, right in that opening, like that, and just give it another squeeze, and it opens right up, just like that. You can take it off, replace your J-hook if you need to. But anyway, I just thought it might help someone out there. That maybe don't know, but that's how simple they are to use. Like I said, I believe Ron Marsh come up with this. And when it comes to J-hooks, if you're doing 50, I don't know, 100, 200 of them, this is the best tool to get. Last you a lifetime. All right. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you down the trail. Peace.